How to upload a 3 minute short on YouTube. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna tell you how you can upload a 3 minute short on YouTube. If you try to upload the 3 minute short on YouTube from your mobile phone, you would have seen that they cut down the 3 minutes into only a single minute. So in order to upload a 3 minute short on YouTube, you must first open your PC. Open your YouTube channel on any of the browser and come to the home page. After coming to the home page, you'll be able to see this plus icon at the top right. Click on that. This is the create option. So click on that, and after clicking on that, just click on upload video. Shortly after that, you will be redirected to the creator studio of the YouTube. So here you'll have to upload the file. Make sure it is a horizontal video in order for the YouTube to detect it as a short. Once you have uploaded it, you'll have to give the details. This is the title, so just give it a title. For example, I'm just writing a draft title, my first short. And after giving the title, you can just give description, describe what the video is about for the viewers, and then scroll down and upload a file for thumbnail, or auto generate that, or test and compare, whichever you want. Now you can either add this to any existing playlist or create a playlist for the new short. And you also have to specify your audience, that whether this video is made for kids. If it is made for kids, it will be shown in YouTube Kids. If it's not, then just click on no, it's not for kids. And you can also add age restriction, then click on next. Now here you'll have to specify video elements, add an end screen, but there is no end screen of YouTube Shorts, so you'll just have to leave it and just click on next. After that, the YouTube will give a copyright check. If there is no copyright issue found, so there'll be no problem, and just click on next. And now here you have to specify that you want your video to be private, unlisted, or public. I want everyone to watch my video, so I'm gonna click on public, and then scroll down. You can even schedule your publicity, like you can create a private video, post that, and you can specify a date that when you want that video to be public. And after that, click on publish. Once the video is published, the YouTube will check automatically that if the video is lies under the shorts category, if it is horizontal and it qualifies for being a short, they will automatically review the video and transfer it to the under the short section. So YouTube takes a bit time to review that. So that is how you can upload a 3 minute short on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.